This Dorm Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Jayann Madden. Miraculous and rare offering of a spacious 3,100 plus square feet 3-bed, 2.75 bath home on Harstine Island. This home sits quietly on a serene, luscious lot that is just shy of 3 acres. The open concept floor plan, large windows, and numerous skylights creates an expansive atmosphere for large living or hosting of any gathering. Enjoy the pristine, private setting while watching your old-growth cedar/maple trees from your covered patio/deck. Private sanctuary at ideal location near bridge and marina. For more information, review the details below or contact Jayann Madden at 206-406-6357.